When Richard Vogt of Blohm Voss was described as that original man who builds uglier aeroplanes than any other designer, he did not lose heart. Convinced of the advantages of the unusual asymmetric configuration, he continued to develop projects using this solution, such as the P.111 and the P.193. And so, at the beginning of 1944, when Germany was seeking new tactical bombers to replace the U-87, he designed the P.194, a hybrid aircraft with an asymmetric configuration. The pilot and forward armament were housed in a large gondola shifted to the right of the aircraft's central axis, while the fuselage contained only the engine and the bomb bay. This arrangement freed the pilot's forward view, and thanks to its configuration, made the aircraft more stable and controllable in flight compared with symmetric aircraft, where the rotation of the powerful central propeller produces a force that tends to rotate the aircraft slightly around its axis, creating a constant lateral thrust that the pilot must continually correct. In the asymmetric configuration, this effect is largely cancelled. It combined a BMW 801D piston engine of about 1,600 horsepower, located in the main fuselage, with a BMW 003 jet engine producing roughly 8.7 kilonewtons of thrust, mounted at the rear of the crew gondola. This hybrid configuration was designed to overcome the limitations of early jet aircraft, whose engines suffered from low thrust and slow acceleration at low speeds. Built with a high proportion of steel components and using parts from the BV-155 and BV-237 projects, the P.194 was intended for simplicity and standardization. It could carry up to 500 kilograms of bombs in an internal bay and mount a substantial battery of forward-firing cannons. The estimated maximum speed was 775 kilometers per hour, notable for a mixed propulsion aircraft of the period. Although the project was ultimately cancelled in favor of the Messerschmitt Me-262, the Blohm Voss P.194 remains an example of Vogt's design philosophy, an approach focused on solving aeronautical problems, experimenting with original and unconventional solutions to improve the performance and efficiency of aircraft.